Samsung dishwasher model DW80B7071UG error codes. A mundane chore like washing dishes is easier and more effective with a washing system that has dual wash arms and a spray jet that blasts water at high pressure, covering all angles to clean even th. To achieve improved drying performance, the auto-release door automatically opens at the end of the cycle to circulate air and dry dishes faster. Error codes. Code 1E. Problem: clogged filter error. Fix: clean the fine filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. See the user manual for instructions. Code 3C. Problem: pump operation error. Fix: turn off the dishwasher and then try to start the cycle again. Code 3E. Problem: high temperature water supply error. Fix: verify the hot water supply is not set above 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Code 4C. 4E. Problem: water supply error. Fix: verify the water pressure and temperature meets the water supply requirements. Code 5C. SC. 5E. SE. Problem: drain error. Fix: inspect the dishwasher's drain connection at the sink. Check the drain hose. Code 7E. Problem: water wall reflector error. Fix: if you have recently unboxed the dishwasher, verify the packing tape has been removed from the water wall reflector, allowing it to move. Check that the reflector is installed in the correct position and is not blocked. Code 9E. Problem: low water level error. Fix: empty the dishwasher. Add detergent, and then run a normal cycle. Code AP. Problem: access point mode. Fix: if you are not trying to connect it, turn off the dishwasher and turn it back on again. Code B6E. Problem: button error. Fix: turn off the dishwasher. Touch every button on the panel. Code CE. Problem: communication error. Fix: turn off the dishwasher and try to start it again. Code HC1E. Problem: high temperature heater error. Fix: switch the power to the dishwasher off 30 seconds and then on again, at the circuit breaker. Code HE error code. Problem: heater error. Fix: empty the dishwasher. Add detergent, and then run a normal cycle. Code LC. Problem: leakage error. Fix: if you see a leak, see the guide for dishwasher leaks water. Code OC. OE. 0C. Problem: over-level water error. Fix: inspect the dishwasher's drain connection at the sink. Check the drain hose. Code PC. Problem: zone wash error. Fix: turn off the dishwasher and then try to start the cycle again. Code PE. Problem: half-load function error. Fix: empty the dishwasher. Add detergent and run a half-load cycle. Code TE. Problem: temperature sensor error. Fix: empty the dishwasher. Add detergent and run a normal cycle.